guys, today is December 2nd, 2020, and this is your live lesson for today. Don't forget to make sure when you are in reading every day, you listen to our weekly story. Our story for this week is called Brothers at Bat, written by Audrey Vernick and illustrated by Steven Salerno. It's a very, very good story, so make sure you're listening to it. We are in Canvas today. You have an ABC order lesson, so we're going to practice that real quick. Okay. So you want to pick the first one that starts with an A. So we have Alfred and we have Anthony. So we need to go to the next letter. Then we have an N and an L. So L comes first, so you'll have Alfred first, and then you'll have Anthony. And then we go to Bubby and Bobby. Both B's, but O comes first, so you would have Bobby and then Bubby. It doesn't look like we have any we do have a C, so Charlie would be 6th. And then we don't have any D's. We have one E, so Eddie would be 7th. One F, so Freddie would be 8th. G, H, I, J, we have Joe and Jimmy. So we have to look at the O and the I. I comes before O, so you would have Jimmy and then Joey. And then Louie and Paul is last. So that is our characters' names in alphabetical order. On Canvas, you are going to be doing an alphabetical order practice, so please make sure that you go letter by letter. It also helps to write your ABCs at the top of your page. That'll help you go in order and make sure you're sticking with that order. Okay? And then make sure you go back and listen to the story and listen to the vocabulary words while you're on Canvas. Let's go ahead and start with our math lesson for today. So if you don't have a piece of paper and a pencil, go ahead and grab one for me, please, because I want to make sure that you're following along with me while we're doing the lessons. All right. Which math fact goes with this division fact? So we have 18 divided by 3. Okay, so we need to solve this. 18 divided by 3. So we're going to draw our 3 circles. 1, 2, 3. Remember, make sure you're doing this with me. If you need a little bit more time, if I'm going too fast, stop the video throughout. Press pause, catch up, and when you're ready, press play. So now we're going to divide 18 into these 3 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, so in each circle we have 6. So I know 18 divided by 3 is 6. Okay, so it's kind of like a fact family. Okay, it's kind of like a fact family. I know that 18 divided by 3 is 6, which means 18 divided by 6 is 3. And remember the opposite of division, 3 times 6 is 18, 6 times 3 is 18. Okay, so which math fact goes with this division fact? Okay, so we have division. Okay, subtraction does not go with division. Neither does addition. We know the opposite of division is multiplication. Okay? So, let's look for the fact family. 6 times 3 is 18, or 18 times 3 is 54. Well, up here I have 18, 3, and 6. Down here I have 18, 3, and 6. We're not worried about the number 54. I don't need to worry about 18 times 3. Okay, I need to know that 6 times 3 is the opposite of 18 divided by 3 equals 6. So our answer is B. Let's do the next one. All right, 28 divided by 4. So first we got to figure out what 28 divided by 4 is. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're going to divide it by 28. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So each one has 7. Okay, so I know 28 divided by 4 is 7. So again, we divided. Okay, addition does not go with division. Subtraction does not go with division. We know when we divide, the opposite is multiplication. Okay, so here I have 7, 4, 28. Those are my fact families. So which one makes more sense to go with it? 28 times 4 is 102, or 7 times 4 is 28. Well, if we work backwards, 7 times 4 is 28. So my answer here is D. Basically, we're finding the fact family. For 28 divided by 4 equals 7, we're finding it here. And 7 times 4 is 28. Alright, I want you to pause here and do this one on your own. See what you get for 32 divided by 4. Draw your 4 circles and divide it out, and I want to see what you get. Okay, if you drew your 4 circles and you divided out your 32, you would have gotten 8 for each one. So I know 32 divided by 4 is 8. Okay, well, what is the multiplication fact that goes with that? Remember, all you do is work backwards. 8 times 4 is 32, and 4 times 8 is 32. When we're dividing, we know that we're not worried about subtraction or addition. Okay, I don't need to multiply 32 times 4, because 32 times 4 is not 8. 32 times 4 is 128. Okay, I don't need the number 128. I need to know that 4 times 8 is 32. 4 times 8 is 32. I'm still using my 3 numbers. Okay, pause here and do this one on your own. See what answer you get. Go ahead and choose whenever you're done. Press play and choose A, B, C, or D. Alright, so we're going to practice a little bit of expanded form. The expanded form of the number is shown. 50,000 plus 600 plus 30 plus 7. What is the standard form of this number? So remember, every time you have a place value question, you need to draw your place value chart and put your number into your place value chart. So I know that I have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 thousands. 5 10,000s. 6 hundreds. 3 10s, 7 1s. Okay? What do I need to put here? Remember, if there's nothing in that spot, you need to have a 0. So which answer matches what we have here? B. Remember, guys, all you need to do is plug your numbers into your place value chart. Let's do another one. Okay. What is the standard form of this number? So I have 6 10,000s, 3 thousands, 7 10s, and 4 1s. What needs to go in the hundreds place? 0. 63,074, or I'm sorry, that should be a 1. Oh no, that is a 4. 63,000. So D should be our answer. But that should be a 4. Sorry guys, that's a little typo by me. 63,754. So you are going to have to do this on Canvas also. Okay, so whenever you're doing this on Canvas, use your place value chart, please. Alright guys, that is the end of our lesson for today. Make sure when you are working on Math Canvas, you are using a journal or a piece of paper to show your work and work through those questions. Remember, on the division inverse questions, you think about that fact family. Think about that fact family and what multiplication fact is going to go with that fact family. Okay? Alright guys, I will see y'all tomorrow.